Another video. The farm. This is the front part. The right side part we put vegetables and fruits. We have this pechay here. Also pineapple. Here we put ampalaya, talong. Here. Now we are going to the sheep. Hi, sheep. Hello. Hello. We have plenty of sheep before, but last December we sold some, so 2 is left. These are female. So here flatland until going there. And of course my uncle is cutting the grasses. Here this is durian, grafted durian. These are my imported star apple. Here is the pongkan fruits, fruit bearing already. You see, there, fruits already. Yeah. From the entrance, that's the entrance part of the farm. Another, it's like a bank house, like or a storage house. Yeah, here. This is the right part of the farm. We have here durian, lanzones, some of the cacao. Here, cacao trees. From flatland here, from the right side, we have like maybe at least 20 cacaos. So this is a 1 hectare flatland. Rambutan, pine tree, another rambutan. Here's my husband. Okay. So we're going to the baboy's cage. We also have there at the back.
You know yung marang tree.
Asan? Here. This is a marang tree. Yeah. Yeah, you can harvest it already. You have santol, another house. Hi, Tibing! Nandiyan ka lagi. Umuwi ka na pala. Ah. Here you can just put roofing if you want to still continue to raise up, to have a piggery. We just remove the roofings, but the steels are there. So here we have santol. It's fruit bearing already. We are harvesting within 3 months. Plenty of here santol, and also tomatoes. We put tomatoes in between. Here. Achal, the peppers. Yeah. Here. The peppers.
Lanzoni Street.
Here again, santol. And we have this upo. Upo and ampalaya. And talong. There's santol.
Back of the house.
Back of the house.
Holding tank.
Ito here. Holding tank for the water. Coming from
the rain.
from the rain. But we have also Nawasa here. So
Water from barangay.
yeah. At least to have extra water here. Of course. Manual water. And then here the house. Excuse me, ma. The house. The living room. The house is like, ilang square meter ang bahay, Dad?
Malaki to.
Mga 300? Ito, the main bedroom. Main bedroom. Bathroom with shower. Cabinets. The house has 2 bedrooms with 1 bathroom inside the room. Then this is another room, big room. The living room. Another. This is the common bathroom with shower. The kitchen. We also leave the gas range. Water also. So also this table. We have this table from the woods here in the farm. So we made it like how many seater this?
12 by 12 meter, something like flooring.
The flooring of the house is 12 by 12. The roofing is trusses. So that's it. Dito na lang yan. Bili na lang tayo pag magpunta tayo.